Lightning prompts evacuation. Closure of beaches in Santa Monica, Malibu. Lightning prompted the evacuation of all beach areas in Santa Monica and the closure of Malibu beaches on Wednesday. All beach and ocean areas in Santa Monica were evacuated shortly before noon due to lightning strikes from an electrical storm. Officials posted about the evacuation on the city's Twitter account, advising everyone in the area to seek cover indoors. Lightning also prompted the closure of all beaches in Malibu. Malibu's Emergency Operations Center said on Twitter that lifeguards closed and cleared all beaches at 12:40 p.m. due to safety concerns from the lightning.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.